Parts and function of camera lens. Focusing ring, a rotating portion of the lens that the photographer can use to focus the picture. Head mount, the section of the tripod that connects to the camera and enables it to be pointed. Filter mounting thread is a reference to the size and kind of the thread on the front of the lens where filters can be connected. Image stabilizer switch makes it possible for photographers to handhold their cameras in low light by switching on their lens. Lens mount index, a mark on the lens mount that makes it easier to attach the lens firmly to the camera body. Focus mode switch. Usually, the autofocus or manual focus switch is the tiny switch on the camera lens. Zoom ring is to alter the lens focal length. Zoom position index to determine your current angle of vision. Consider this regularly used focal lens. Contacts is to determine if the lens is defective and alert you with the appropriate error number.